does not guilty to the charges set forth in your complaint. You also have the right to have an attorney represent you. If you cannot afford an attorney, the judge will appoint an attorney to represent you. Many of you have already interviewed with, and any statement made by you today may be used against you at a later date. Please look in the upper left-hand corner of your complaint. That means the state has reviewed your case and is willing to make an offer to resolve the case. Be sure to advise your attorney that your case is an ECR today because you are charged with a misdemeanor. The additional time in which to enter any plea at all. You have the following constitutional rights in the justices' courts. 1. The right to have an attorney represent to a speedy trial. 3. The right to require the state to prove. 5. The right to subpoena witnesses to testify on your behalf and compel their attendance. And 6. If you plead guilty or no contest, you are waiving. That means you are giving up all of these constitutional rights. You should also be aware that you have to continuance and, if appropriate, request appointment of an attorney to represent you. If you enter a plea of guilty, that means you're admitting your guilt, and the judge can sentence you today. You may also plead no contest, if you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt if there were a trial. In that case, the judge will make a finding of guilt, and you will be sentenced today. Do not consider any statement you wish to make regarding the merits or facts of your case, in order that your right to remain silent is preserved. Instead, you will be required to attend a pretrial conference with a deputy from each of the constitutional rights, which were previously described. If you are here for any other reason other than what has just been described, the judge will discuss that reason with you and determine what should be done.
You need a translator.
That's not right.
See, Mr. Rodriguez, it's case number RCR 2009-48716. Have you got a copy of the complaint?
Okay.
Answer.
Do you have a copy of the complaint, Mr. Rodriguez?
Your Honor, he's been given a copy.
Okay, and as far as you know, Rick, is his name correctly spelled on line 7?
No.
Your Honor, I got Victor Rodriguez, V-I-C-T-O-R, Rodriguez, R-O-D-R-I-G-U-E-Z, also known as Stephen Contreras.
Right, and I guess Mr. Rodriguez, that's his true name, and Steve Contreras is an alias?
Yes, sir.
All right.
His name wasn't Rodriguez.
Vincent what? Vincent what? All right, Vincent Rodriguez?
I ate at your dining hall, and then you had
Rick, is he, what's the problem with Mr. Rodriguez?
I don't know, sir. We've got him housed in the infirmary. As far as I know, they're not giving him any meds or anything. He's just laying in his bed. He's asleep. He doesn't want to answer.
So Mr. Rodriguez has a copy of the complaint, right?
Yes, sir.
You can ask me. And it says Daniel J. Greco of the County of Washoe, State of Nevada, and he's a deputy district attorney. Mr. Greco verifies and declares upon information and belief and under penalty of perjury that Victor Rodriguez, also known as Steve Contreras, the defendant above named, has committed the crime of count 1, murder with the use of a firearm, in violation of NRS 200.010, NRS 200.030, and NRS 193.165, a felony, in the manner following, to wit, that the said defendant, on or about the 10th day of May 2009 at Reno Township within the County of Washoe, State of Nevada, did willfully, unlawfully, and with malice aforethought, deliberation, and premeditation, kill and murder Rene Angulo, a human being, by shooting the victim 1 or more times, and did use a firearm, to wit, a handgun, in the commission of the offense, thereby inflicting mortal injuries upon the person of Rene Angulo, from which he died on May 10, 2009. Count 2, battery with a deadly weapon, resulting in substantial bodily harm, in violation of NRS 200.482, subsection 2, paragraph E, a felony, in the manner following, to wit, that the said defendant, on or about the 10th day of May 2009 at Reno Township within the County of Washoe, State of Nevada, did willfully and unlawfully unlawfully used force and violence upon the person of Wayne Nash with the use of a deadly weapon, to wit, a handgun, at or near Highway 395, Washoe Valley, Washoe County, Nevada, in that the defendant shot the victim in the leg. And then it's dated the 12th day of May, 2009, signed by Dan Greco. Now, Mr. Rodriguez, after having read the complaint, do you have any questions regarding the complaint?
I don't think so, Your Honor. He's
All
upset.
right, then what we're going to do is we're going to set a preliminary hearing date this morning.
May 27th at 2:30.
And I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you at this time. Also, there's no bail in this case. And so that's it for today, and we'll see you on the date my clerk just gave you for the preliminary hearing.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Rick. All right, we have a couple of people in custody on citation matters this morning. First is Pedro Solis Amato. And then after that will be, I guess he's a cook, or what you say.